welcome back to Politics Watch. This is LP. Now, today I'm going to be talking about 87. One of St. Catherine's most troublesome youth, but he's currently behind bars. Recently, them killed his sister, and I'm giving a better idea as to what went down. I'm also showing you how bleaching cream, yes, bleaching cream is a very effective tool for 87s when it comes on to avoiding the JCF. Sounds simple, right? Can't be that easy. It's the price, you know. I'm also going to be touching on the whole gun amnesty in Harriman right now. It turns out it's not going according to plan. And by plan, I mean the big wigs them plan. The people in the jacket and tie plan. I already told you, gun amnesty don't make sense. The next thing, before we end the video, I will be telling you about a brand new theory that I think might take over the place, take the place by storm. You've heard about Darwinism? Forget about that, outdated trash. Right now, we have Darwinism. Yesterday, you heard me make a response video to what Shane Darling was saying. So right now, we have Darwinism. I will tell you all about it. I think this might be the next big thing to hit Harriman, maybe even the whole globe. We can start off with Sandman. Who knew bleaching cream would end up becoming such a valuable tool for 87s? Kemar Crack, aka Sandman, a youth that is well known to people from Central Village side. Now, remember a video from the do, or a story made cover about a woman by the name of Chevelle Lewis. She was a gas station attendant. As she was putting gas in her vehicle, doing her job, 87s ride up on a bike and shot her. The whole thing was caught on camera. She is the sister of Sandman. You see, when Chevelle died, the reason why it was immediately linked to Central Village and Sandman is because he, as in Sandman, is feuding with a brother they call Dogman, who is the Don for the Immortal Gang. Yes, the Immortal Gang. I don't know if a mortal come back them a watch or what, but they call themselves Immortal Gang. Dogman has been the quote-unquote Don for a very long time. At one point, Sandman ended up start kill people with Dogman, even though because of certain of the gang politics, them shouldn't really link, but them end up start link. Sandman, luck run out. Dog, them him suffer. End up at jail house. As you can see, that's what him look like now. Even before Sandman go jail, when police look for him, they used to walk right past him. Because Sandman took a drastic change in his appearance. The same bleaching cream makes Sandman go from the brother where you see on the left to the brother where you see on the right. Now, because we're using hindsight, right, you might look close and say, yeah man, I see a man. But imagine you look for somebody on the left, right, and this is the picture you have. And you walk around the community, so you look for man. The brother where you see on the right, you're not going to suspect him because are two different people. That's how effective bleaching cream is in helping people transform their identities, especially 87s. You see, in Mexico, some of the top wanted man in the cartel them, right, take on all kind of surgery. Now for them are dead doing surgery, right, because them are try to change their appearance. The Ironman 87 them find a much cheaper alternative. Them go with the bleaching cream. Make police just walk right past them. But eventually, Sandman look would run out. So now Sandman died jail couple years well. Right? But then him start make certain demands to Dogman. Right? Because I make him know say, oh, remember say I me to do this, I me to do that. Right? I remember say you still have this to me. Then end up fall out. Sandman, this up Dogman wicked. Remember, Dogman is the Don. People start to fret because people know how Dogman and the Immortal Gang stay. People start to look to see who are go dead for what happened between Sandman and Darkman. Darkman actually left Ironman. Right? He was last seen crossing the border. Sandman died jail. So the two men them argue via phone. Right? You know, say jail and start nobody might talk on phone. As me say, people are looking sick over there. People are wonder if a mother or whatever. That is why when Chevelle Lewis lost her life, people instantly say it linked to Sandman. And you know how that guy already. The 87s have no regard, right, for nobody. Behind them fall out, them say right, them sister their own stuff. Because remember, Sandman, that jail so them can't touch him. Jail is actually one of the safest places for 87. If Sandman in that road, them will run program long time. But them can't do him nothing. But them never have to do him nothing. Them know what him sister have. That is why as soon as she gets shot before her body even go cold, people tie it back to Sandman. And they were so motivated to kill that even though Chevelle Lewis was in Portmore, them could still get them links to run program on her. Remember, them have eyes all over the place. Them have people in the community close by and watch, yeah man, she a work man. Just like that. Them go kill her. So you can see just how easy it is for somebody for dead because they're related to 87. And the decision as to who them kill, right, is completely up to the gangs because the way them operate, them behave like judge, jury, and executioner. Them behave like, you know what, make him live, make she dead, right? Kill she, left him, right? Just like that. Complete disregard for anybody's life. What me say, you know who really cares about for them life? Your favorite activist. So I guess you can look at this as the follow-up to the Chevelle Lewis video that I was talking about, our brother. Right? Now we know why people link it back, right, to Sandman and the whole Central Village madness. Plus you also see why 87s don't run joke with them bleaching cream. Now you see why 87s a fight with them kerosene over the bleaching cream. If 87 never catch kerosene using bleaching cream, it might be war. So you know why? Because the cream might have helped them hide from the police. Look at talk about the gun amnesty. It turns out the amnesty isn't amnestying. What a surprise. Remember time did the video upon it? I asked a number of questions. I say some of them things don't really add up to me. But again, I'm no expert. I'm just like a YouTuber. I was wondering what kind of fruits will this amnesty bear? Now by the time it's done, they might can show a few guns here and there. But if they were expecting any large scale handing over of weapons, them need to link me for a unicorn. Ask yourself this question. Why would somebody give up a quote unquote legacy gun? Because you see them say, well, you know, it's mainly for people who might have inherited one gun and then they really want the gun. Right? So now is the opportunity to be handling the gun. If somebody inherit one gun from them brother who they left, do you know what they would do? They would call the cash free guns program and say, we know if I can find one gun and collect some money for you. This is not neurosurgery. This is not quantum physics. Why would somebody hand over a gun for free in our amnesty when there's already a program in place where them can get money for the gun? If them now hand over the gun for money, why would they hand it over for free? If they can get 100,000 for something, when them yard right now, and them not take the 100,000, you think say amnesty can make them hand it over? This idea say people have this gun with them inherit from them family and them brother or whoever, and them don't want it, so I'm gonna just hand it over and say start a new leaf. I mean, it sounds good, it sounds romantic, but in the real world, very, very unlikely to happen. Somebody who knows that them brother they left one gun in the yard and want that gun out of the yard, you're going to call the cash free guns program and collect easy money. And as for the hardcore 87s them now hand over no gun. The only way 87 give a system gun, them have to go quietly call and say, no sir, you know if I can find one gun, much I give me for it. Alright, the gun around there, so that's it. Amnesty. don't hold your breath. Another thing is, 87s don't take part in gun amnesties for the same reason they don't take part in social intervention programs. Once them start killing, again, me I talk about actual 87s, man who have reputation on the streets, man who are already known, right, for a quote unquote McDuffie. Once them start killing, right, they are now in line to be killed. Let me say that one more time. Once them start kill, they are now in line to be killed. Your enemy will not allow you to just walk away after you kill them brethren and family. It's on for life. So, if you say you are going to give a gun in an amnesty, or you are going to give a gun, right, and then go join social intervention program and then get some chicken and raise some chicken for a farm. This is not how it works in real life. Your enemies don't care. You think to the man them, I got ear say, JJ Nakis, give a gun for amnesty. And say, that's so noble. That's so noble. Right? JJ Nakis, who killed so much of our family and friends, just give him a gun for the amnesty and he's turning a new leaf. That's unicorn meat. You know what gonna happen? When man you say JJ Nakis to give him a gun, they might load up in one car to go for him instantly. It's the same reason why we go up on a social intervention program. But tell me already say anybody you see go up on social intervention program and tell us say my hardcore 87, a unicorn meat. Because if the man them here say him don't just sell this and sell that, or him start raise chicken on your uncle farm, or him one shop run so, the man them I go kill him. I did the story on Dooley. Susan Clansman them set off from Spanish Town, go all the way, Red Hills Road, price right. Dooley get work in a supermarket, so him turn him life around, him done with the acidity. And the man him set off, go kill Dooley. As he was leaving work, Dooley start work, like a regular 9-to-5 citizen. Black man and Sus them never say, oh, him start work? Alright, left him alone. The man gonna kill him, see me. That's why 87s don't join social intervention programs. That's why they don't give away guns and amnesties. The moment man here say, him give a gun, and a supermarket a pack bag, or him a raise chicken, they go into that farm. And they're not going there to buy chicken. They're not going there to buy egg. They're going there to bust head. 87s know that. This is the reality of badness that youths need to know before they go up on the conveyor belt. Because enough youths can't wait for quote unquote McDuffie. And that's when enough of them realize say, this is the beginning of the end. Have to look over shoulder for the rest of your life. Because even if I'm one victim you have, that one victim have 5 brothers, 35 cousins, and 10 really close friends. You just need one of them to make up their mind till them get revenge. Just one. And dog no mess up. This is why jail actually saved of 87. Because the longer them stay up on the road, is the more people them kill, and the more people them have a look for kill them back. They kill 3 people, now you have 60 people who want to kill, so on and so forth. So these romantic stories we see in the paper, of the notorious 87, but go take up this and turn him life around. It's rare. Of course, there's always exceptions. It's rare. Some man, lucky like that, as them say, puss and dog now the same luck. But that is an exception, it's not the rule. People will bleach on you for years till then kill you back. Years. So don't look within 87 and over a gun on an amnesty. When we talk about Darwinism before the video end. You see, after the video, I realized there was a second part to the clip where your favorite CEO, Shane Darling, was basically giving some examples, and he was saying that, hey, some people have licensed firearm and still get killed by 87s. Right. Some police officers get killed by 87s. In other words, there is no guarantee that you're going to survive and a gun is going to save you. Therefore, what's the point? Nobody enough you have none. There is no guarantee that you're going to survive. So why bother? So if you want a definition for Darwinism, it's there is no guarantee that this is going to save you, so don't bother. Let's apply Darwinism to other areas in life, shall we? Eating healthy and working out, watching a diet and everything there, we know that play a major role in preventing certain diseases and all them things there. But guess what? Enough man eat healthy, work out and still drop down dead. So guess what? Don't bother. Don't bother eat healthy and work out. Right? Don't bother watch your diet, don't bother watch your eat, because not everybody who eat healthy and work out live long healthy life. Some man drop down and dead same way, so why bother? Seatbelt in a car, dash it way. Pop out the seatbelt and dash it way, because according to Darwinism, some people meet in a car accident and dead with seatbelt. So why bother? Yes, it's a minority of cases, but some people dead with seatbelt. So that's that shit. Why bother? It doesn't guarantee in every single situation, so why bother? That's Darwinism. What about the Durex, the condom? That shit. That shit, because guess what? Enough man wear boots and still catch all kind of things. Enough people use condom and still get pregnant. So guess what? That's you. Don't bother. I mean, we have to go remix the song. Rude boys, don't be silly. Don't bother putting a rubber span your willy. That's the remix. What you bother for? It's not every time boots effective. As I said, some man still catch things and some man still get woman pregnant with condom. Yes, it's a minority of time, but it don't work every time. So why bother? Dash it way. Dash it way. Parachute. You know when time man jump with a plane with parachute? Sometimes they don't open. So guess what? Dash it way. Just chuck out a plane with none, because parachute don't work every time. There are cases of people pulling them parachute that don't open. So because it don't open sometimes and there are cases of this happening, dash it way. That's Darwinism. So yes, some people have licensed firearm and still get killed by 87s. Police have weapons and still get killed by 87s. So according to Darwinism, even though this is a minority of cases, nobody with it, dash it way. Right, so dash your boots, dash your seatbelt, right, dash your parachute, dash your airbag, dash your everything. If it don't work 100% of the time, you know no use, dash it. Such a brilliant theory. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life, Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.